Hello Goldies, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making chicken meatballs. Enjoy! I'll run through the ingredients.
The measurement is in the description box.
In the processor, add all the ingredients in no particular order. Please like, share and subscribe to get us to 2,000 subscribers. Thank you. Mould into balls with an ice cream mould or your hands. Use what works best for you. Transfer in a preheated oven. Grill at 170 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Serve with any sauce of choice. See you on my next one, Goldies. Bye.